In this video, we delve into the world of miniature succulents, focusing on specialized propagation techniques tailored for these small plants. We will learn the art of propagating miniature succulents from both cuttings and seeds, allowing us to expand our succulent collection through sustainable methods. Choosing the right cuttings is crucial for successful propagation of miniature succulents. Look for healthy cuttings with no signs of disease or damage. Opt for cuttings that are firm and plump, indicating good water storage capacity. Ensure the cuttings have at least one leaf node from which roots can develop. By carefully selecting the best cuttings, you set the foundation for strong and thriving new succulent plants. Preparing and planting cuttings is a crucial step in the propagation process of miniature succulents. To promote root growth and new plant development, start by allowing the cuttings to callus over for a few days to prevent rot. Then, plant the cuttings in a well-draining succulent soil mix and lightly water to kickstart root formation. Place the planted cuttings in a bright, indirect light location and mist occasionally to maintain moisture levels. Follow these steps diligently to ensure the successful establishment of your propagated succulents. Seed propagation offers a rewarding and diverse way to expand your miniature succulent collection. To successfully propagate miniature succulents from seeds, begin with selecting high-quality seeds from reputable sources. Plant the seeds in a well-draining seed starting mix, cover lightly, and provide consistent moisture. Germination can be enhanced with bottom heat or a humid environment. Once the seeds sprout, ensure they receive adequate light without direct sun exposure. By exploring these techniques and following care tips diligently, you can enjoy the process of growing miniature succulents from seeds. Caring for propagated succulents is essential to nurture their healthy growth and development. Provide your miniature succulents with well-draining soil to prevent waterlogging and avoid overwatering, which can cause root rot. Place the succulents in a location with ample sunlight to promote vibrant colors and compact growth. Monitor for pests and diseases regularly, and address any issues promptly to safeguard the health of your plants. Adjust watering frequency based on the season and plant's needs, ensuring that the succulents thrive in their environment.